Okay guys, this is a right angle, if you remember. Now, this little square here just shows that it's a right angle. Okay, we want to find x. So, the side that is opposite the right angle, which is this one, is always the hypotenuse. So we're going to be finding the hypotenuse. And this is the formula that you need to find the hypotenuse. Okay? Right, the c in the formula is always the hypotenuse. Okay, so we don't know what the hypotenuse is yet. That's what we've got to find. So staying at c squared by here, and it equals, right, we've got to label the other sides of the right angle triangle, A and B. Okay, so I'm going to label this side A and this side B. Right, now wherever we see A, we're going to put an 8 in. And wherever we see B, we're going to put 5 in. Okay, 8 and 5. Right, so we're going to have the A is 8, so we're going to have 8 squared plus, and where the B is a 5, so that is 5 squared. Right, now, so we're going to work out what 8 squared is and 5 squared is. So that's going to be 64 for the 8 squared plus 25 for the 5 squared. Right. Okay, now we're going to work out the sum that we've got there. So we've got 64 add 25, which is 89. Okay, still c squared. We still haven't found it yet because that is c squared and we just want c. So to get rid of a squared, what we've got to do is square root 89. Okay, so if I've worked that out, 9.4, you will have a calculator for this, so don't worry. And that is 9.4 to 1 decimal place. Okay, so that is, the hypotenuse equals 9.4 to 1 decimal place. So that's what x is. Do not forget in your answer, always put what the x is. Don't leave it like this, because they want you to know that you understand x. So x is 9.4 to 1 decimal place. Okay, that's how we find the hypotenuse. That's the longest side, and it's always the side that's opposite the right angle.